We heard that four-letter word earlier today. That's a possibility again, and everyone is like, "No, it can't happen."
Was about to fire me, I think.
Yes.
Yes. Winter weather definitely a possibility as we head into the second half of the week, and then again early next week. Here's a live look at conditions outside. Mainly sunny in Kelso. You can tell the front has moved through Kelso and Astoria. It's clearing through Tillamook as well, starting to clear out there. Still in the clouds for Portland and Salem, but look at Salem, quite mild, upper 40s there. We're 40 degrees in Bend, 35 degrees in the Dalles. Here's a look at visible satellite. It's really easy to make out this front. It continues to slowly but surely make its way south, and eventually it's going to lift back to the north once again. But you can see the clearing along the north coastline, the Coast Range, and we're starting to get a bit of clearing out toward the west side of the metro area. Check out this beautiful time lapse from Lincoln City this morning. Here are the first 5 hours of the day. Beautiful day to be out at the beach, but changes are on the horizon starting overnight tonight and into tomorrow. First, the cold air moves down from the south. It's going to funnel through the gorge again, so that east wind picks up, and that draws the cold air into the Willamette Valley, setting the stage for winter precipitation. There's the precipitation. You can already see some returns off the coast of California. At first, moisture is limited, but then I think our atmosphere is going to saturate, and by Thursday night and into Friday, we could see some problems on the roadways here in the Willamette Valley with a wintry mix looking likely. So here's a look at the next couple of days. This is this afternoon, 3:30. You can see we're starting to see more sunshine around Portland. Might be tougher to break out of the clouds in the central and southern Willamette Valley. Snow showers east of the Cascades. Now overnight tonight, I think we're briefly clear west of the mountains. 8 o'clock in the morning, it's windy and it's cold, but there's no snow around at all. It looks dry west of the Cascades. Some snow east of the mountains. And look what happens late afternoon. This is 5 o'clock. This particular model showing a bit of a deformation band setting up. So that's the warm moisture moving up from the south and the cold air clashing right there in Portland. This is just one possibility. A lot of other models showing us dry through tomorrow night, but want to give you the heads up. Here's 7:30 tomorrow night. Again, this model showing snow around Portland. What models tend to agree on is what's going to happen on Thursday. So moisture moves up from the south on Thursday. I think we're talking more freezing rain or sleet in the southern Willamette Valley as it does so, but snow from Salem through Portland. We'll see a period of snow, and then we're talking about freezing rain for the day on Friday. So let's talk about the Willamette Valley, what to expect in a timeline. Again, one model giving us some snow tomorrow night, but a lot of models agree it's Thursday late afternoon and evening that we'll see snow develop from Salem into the North Valley and southwest Washington. A trace to 2 inches possible, and then freezing rain to the south of Salem. On Friday, a transition from snow to freezing rain in the areas in the Northern Valley that have seen snow, and then we transition over to that ice. So 1/10 of an inch to 2/10 of an inch of ice possible. Friday night will be warming from south to north, so eventually all rain on Saturday. Here's a look at your forecast through the gorge. Strong east wind through Friday, cold, all snow through Friday as well. 1 to 4 inches could transition to freezing rain on Saturday. Cascades, 6 to 10 inches of snow, then snow level lifts to 4,500 feet. Eastern Oregon, snow showers Thursday, tapering in the evening, and then more snow on Friday, so 3 to 6 inches east of the mountains later this week. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Saturday looks like a really wet day, but highs will be in the 40s, wet at times with low 40s Sunday, and then another chance of snow as we head into the second half of Monday.
Well, even if we do have snow, it won't be like it was a couple weeks ago, though, right?
Yeah, we're sure hoping not. It doesn't look like that, you know, but that kind of came out of nowhere. So it's something we have to watch with that combination of the cold air and the warm, moist air colliding right over the top of Portland.
I think the kids should just sleep at school, and that way there's no problem.
Yeah.